Okay, now let's open. Now we will open this part. Try to find the screw for hinge. And then we can replace it. Okay, to open this part, try to use some like expired credit card or gift card like you open the screen part. So try to open it or use your fingernail. Let's try all kinds of possibilities. If it's hard to open, don't try to push it. Maybe there are some hidden screws. So try to go back and find screws. Okay. Well, looks like we have to open on the other side. Okay, so let's go back. Okay. This is a battery. So to repair some laptop, usually we need to remove the battery, but this battery it's not a removable. So we have to take it out and disconnect this connector and then put it aside. And there's a small connector here. Let's move it to make it easy to do our job. Okay. Now we have this main board, and with the hinge completely showed, and we need to replace the broken one. And which one is broken? Yeah, this one is broken. So we will remove the screw. Okay. Now you can see this is the broken one. And this is the new one. And all we need to do is put the new one replace the old one. Okay, this new hinge is ready, and we need to put them back and then try to screw them. Okay, and for this one, oh, there are lots of dust, so try a little bit cleaning. Oh, so dirty. If you have a brush, you just use a brush. Okay. Okay, so now let's put this back. We disconnected two connectors here, one here, and then the battery. So we need to put them back. First, the battery, and then push this connector back. Okay, then this connector. Okay. Okay, ready? And then put them back. Just push them. Sometimes there's a click sound. Yeah, it looks good. Okay, now we will put all this screw back. Well, remember we have 3 special hidden screws here. Put them back first. And then this CD drive. And we have 2 screws here. Okay, and finally we need to put this cover back. And there are 3 screws for this cover. And there are several other screws. Just put them back, and then we will continue.